Hello friends, welcome to the Reglizan channel. So friends, today I'll talk about Philips Evnia 32M2C5500W monitor. So friends, it's designed and equipped to deliver speed, immersion and comfort to gaming fans of all profile, and this monitor ensure endless enjoyment and excellent view pack in a stylish design. And really it offers everything today's gamer need to get the most out of their sessions and enjoying their adventures on screen to the highest level. And the 1000 curve VA display provides beautiful images combined with the comfort of wide viewing angles and pleasant immersion sensation that helps players enter a more enveloping and satisfying experience. And crystal clear images with Quad HD resolution ensure that every image is crisp and rich in color, while the VESA DisplayHDR 400 certification takes the monitor's visual performance up another notch with deeper, more realistic details and frame. In addition to remarkable graphics, the Philips Evnia 32M2C5500W delivers the speed and precision that the latest generation of games require without ever missing a frame. And ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate coupled with low input lag, FreeSync Premium Pro, and 0.5 millisecond MPRT fast response time mean that even the most heart-pounding action and adventure will always be smooth, swift, and uninterrupted by any lagging, ghosting, and juddering. And friend, it is priced at 429.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon